Do you want to make cards that wow? Then join me at the Stress Free Summit. It's back and it's on for 3 full days starting October 17th. And I've got an awesome, easy embossing folder technique that I'm going to be sharing with you. But I'm also going to show you a lot of tips and tricks as well as different ways that you can step it up. And if you haven't been to a stress-free summit before, then you're in for a treat. It's totally that. It's stress-free. The cards that we make are all using minimal supplies. And we're encouraging you to use what you have in your stash at home rather than go out and buy more product. You're probably going to find that you've got many of the supplies that you need already in your stash to recreate similar designs. I'm going to share my link here for the free ticket, and it is an affiliate link, which means if you do upgrade to the Ultimate Card Making Bundle, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. I do say thank you very much and truly appreciate your support. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and grab your free ticket now. And I look forward to seeing you at the next summit.